Hey guys, this is the Samson C01U USB microphone. Now, I wanted to show you how easy it is to use and connect it to my laptop, but before I do that, I wanted to run through some of the features. The first thing you're gonna notice with this, very high quality. It's very heavy and rugged. The next thing you're gonna notice about this is it's easy to use. It comes with this USB cord here, which you're gonna plug in the back over here. Now over here, you can plug in a headphone if you desire. Now let's plug it into the laptop and demonstrate how easy it is to use. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. So you can see it's easy to use. It has great sound. I'd highly recommend this for anyone who needs a microphone for recording a podcast, voiceovers, or any other project.